Hi guys, Brett at Russell Marine Products. Today I'm going to show you how to utilize Google Earth to mark waypoints on your Lowrance unit. Okay, the three things that we're going to need today to transfer our waypoints is a computer with Google Earth, an SD card, and then of course your Lowrance unit. Now remember, on the SD card we can use 8, 16, or 32. We just don't want to ever go over 32 as your Lowrance unit will not accept that. Our first step is we want to get on our computer and open up Google Earth Pro. When we open it here, we're going to have My Places, so we want to right click on that, hit Add, and then Folder. And we're going to name this Test Video, and then hit OK. Now you can see our test video pops up here. So now we're going to start marking some actual waypoints, GPS waypoints. So we want to click on this pen here, and then we can move this around, and we're going to mark this old roadbed that comes out here. And hit OK. And then you can see that it saves under our test video file. And we're going to mark a couple just so we've got more than one here. And we're going to mark the roadbed as it comes out. And we'll do one more as it comes out here. Name it roadbed. Okay, now we've got some GPS waypoints marked on Google Earth. Now we're going to save these over. We're going to hit Save Places As. Now when this pops up, it's going to be a KMZ file. We want a KML file, so make sure that you change that over to the KML file. And our destination where we save it, we can just go Documents here and then hit Save. So now we've saved our waypoints as a KML file. Now we want to go into our documents, and we've got our KML file right here. So now we need to change this over to a GPX file. GPX file is what we can use to transfer our waypoints from Google Earth over to our unit. So we are going to go to a KML file converter. All right, we've got the KML to GPX.com. We've got that pulled up. Again, it's a free tool on the web. So we want to go here to Select Conversion. It says KML to GPX, which is exactly what we want. Now we need to go choose our file. And we go to Documents, and there's our test KML document. We want to upload that. And we've got our options here, and all we want to do is select waypoints. We didn't put any tracks on here, so that's all we have to do. So we hit Convert, and now it has converted over. It says the file is converted over. Now we click on Download Your New File here, and that goes into our Downloads folder. So we come back here to our Finder. Let's go to Downloads. Now we have this long name that doesn't make sense, but it is got our testvideo.gpx. So what we want to do is save this over to our, you see I've got in my documents, I've got a GPX file. So we want to save this over. I'm going to hit copy here. Sorry about that. Go back to our documents. Let's open our GPX file. You see I've got some other GPX files in here. We want to right click and we want to paste that in here. So now we have our test video GPX file. Let's rename that real quick. Right click on it, rename, and we're going to do just test video GPX. Now we've got our waypoints converted from Google Earth to a GPX. Now we can save that over to our SD card. Okay, now that we have our test video in our GPX file, so we can convert that over to our Lowrance unit, we want to put our SD card in our computer. We've got our SD card here. And first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new folder named Lowrance. So then I want to go back to my documents, get my test video, and we're going to transfer that over to our SD card. So now that we've got it in here, we can see our testvideo.gpx. We're going to select that and slide it into our Lowrance folder. So now we've got our folder created, our Lowrance folder, and now we've got our waypoints in a GPX file. Now what we want to do is get our SD card out of our computer, and now we're going to take it over to our Lowrance unit and transfer those onto our unit. Okay, now that we've got our waypoints transferred from Google Earth to our GPX file onto the SD card, now we can take our SD card and transfer this over to our unit. And we're going to hit our memory card bottom. So on our memory card now we see our Lowrance file, so we're going to select our Lowrance file, and there is our testvideo.gpx. We want to click on that, and it asks us to import, copy, rename, or delete. So we want to put this onto our unit, so we're going to hit import, and it asks you, do you want to import this? And we want to hit yes. Import complete. Now we can close out of that. And now we can go to our map here, and we can see that our points are now on here. Okay, that's it. We have successfully converted our Google waypoints over to our Lowrance units. So again, the three things that we need: computer with Google Earth, an SD card, 8, 16, or 32 gigs, and our Lowrance unit. We hope you found this video useful. Please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, shoot us an email at sales@russellmarineproducts.com or give us a call at 316-313-4113. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.